Hi, on my workbench today, a fry scuttle warmer from Royal Catering. A device designed for, well, fish and chip shops, fast food restaurants and any place that serves a lot of fries in a very short time. Alright, so the device is made purely out of stainless steel and it has a couple of great features. First of all, it's very efficient. It works with 850 watts for the bottom heating element and 500 watts for the top heating element. The cool thing about it is you can turn them off, on and off separately. So if you need it for some reason, you can just turn on the bottom part or you can turn on the radiator separately. So you have two on and off switches and you can regulate the temperature on the bottom heating element. And you can do so between 30 and 80 degrees. Cool thing about it is as well that it has like removable sort of slope basket. So that's where you would drop your fries on. If there's still a bit of fat on them, the perforations will take all the fat in and it will be collected on the bottom of the container. Alright, so how about we turn it on? Just like so. You turn on the heating element on the top, so that radiates the heat downwards, and you can turn on the temperature on the bottom element. You can set the temperature. From my experience, you would set it up between 60 and 70 degrees. That's all you need. You just want the fries warm. You don't want them overcooked. So you just set them around 70. And all you have to do now is to put some fries in. I already fried some fries just to show you how it works. There you go. And the cool thing about it is heated from top and bottom. Normally you would see warmers that work either from the top or from the bottom. So the fries on some end will still stay cold or will get cold. This way you have heat from top and bottom, so whatever you put inside, whether it's wedges or fries, they will stay warm on from all sides. There's a nice slope to the basket, so it makes the whole scooping up really easy, and that's about it. So if you're looking for a fries warmer, just have a look at the website. There's a range of these devices with and without the radiator and with different sizes and shapes, so you will find definitely the one that you need for your venue. Each and every device from Royal Catering comes with a 3-year warranty, and they will be shipped to you or posted in a really sturdy packaging with lots of styrofoam inside for a safe trip. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read, it's always worth looking at because there's a lot of useful information on how to use the device, how to operate it, how much power it needs, and so on and so on. So definitely worth looking at. Alrighty, so if you found this useful, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.